Hey guys, it's our first ever video on this game. This game is called
Car Mechanic Simulator 2021.
yeah, and this is our first ever video on doing this.
And we're in a barn right now, so let's see what's in here.
Ooh, what's this?
A Dodge Daytona? No, or it's a Plymouth Roadrunner. Pretty nice car, actually.
Still has the engine in it.
There's an engine. Does it have all 4 tires? Ooh, wait.
Can't get back there, you have to go the other way.
Missing a door over there. I don't know. Maybe that's only the front tires. There's not much in this barn. Oh, there's another section. Ooh, for that. And what is this? What is this? You say Impala?
What's in this?
Impala with big drag motor. Okay. So, we're playing on sandbox mode because we don't really want to make money in this. It's just
We've
fun.
only played on sandbox mode, though, you know that, right?
Yeah, but the other mode's boring because you have to like, you can't spend too much money because you don't have any more money. So we're building a car today, and it is, what is this?
I think you accidentally bought that.
Oh, I bought this at the junkyard. So this is the car we're going to build today. So to stand B.
There's our truck that we finished. Wait, why don't you show them the truck?
And I will just move this car.
Guys, remember from the short, it wasn't done yet. It was almost done. But,
So this is our truck. It is brand new. Every single thing is 100%. It's got new tires and stuff. And a nice paint job. And this...
now this looks like an old Bentley to me.
It's really dirty.
We might have to give it a wash before we actually start cleaning it.
Okay, let's move it to the car wash. And we'll go ahead and get this thing all clean.
Let's see what it actually looks like. Okay, so the interior's getting cleaned.
Okay, now the body.
And it's done.
Oh
my god.
It's got numbering on it and stuff. This is a Trans Am, so I'm thinking, is it a Trans Am?
I don't know.
I don't think it's a Trans Am, actually. If you go to body shop, it's this. And I believe there's a Trans, yeah, okay. So this, that is the Trans Am, the Bandit. Why are the mirrors, why is that mirror green?
I don't
Well,
know.
let's move this thing.
Maybe we should
move
fix
car to back to lift B. I don't even know if this thing will run.
Let's lift it up and see if it actually does.
Let's go up.
This is a lot slower, I think.
This is really rusty. I think we'll take off the necessary stuff and we'll pull the motor. I already got a new motor building in here for a new project, and we could use it for this one. This is a V8. It's a big V8. I was thinking we could use this motor it has lots of power, and I wanted to experiment fitting something in the car that wasn't actually in the car in the first place. See if we could motor swap car. So this has in it right now. What's in it? Okay, yeah, okay, so it has a 2-chip OHV, which is also what's in this thing too. It's usually what most cars have, but we're gonna throw a better V8. So I think, just gonna take it off, and I wanna take the transmission out and the headers. Oh wow, rusty. So to take the transmission out, we need to take the drive shaft out. So first comes the drive shaft, then the transmission, just a few bolts. Transmission is off. Here's the flywheel, but I have to take this off first, but that is, can I? Oh, this car doesn't even have one header. Okay, so we pulled the motor out of the other one, so I kind of know how to do this now. What I need to pull out to get the motor out. And then all I need to do from here is take the other header off, and we should be able to pull the motor and get the motor out. Alright, exhaust off, and now we have to go to engine crane, move to lift B, and pull it out. Oh, there it goes, it's gone. And move back. So let's get working on, I think we should get working on the suspension. What are these tires? Okay, this looks like
Goodyear tires, definitely.
yeah, and it looks like this was at one point a race car. I'm thinking the other direction. I'm thinking we go to tablet, and we get, drag tires. I think we should get drag tires. Make it a drag car.
Yes.
So we'll give it the biggest size, the most amount of width. What does profile mean? I really don't know. I buy that. And then for the front, it's gonna have to be like a size 22, but they have to be skinny. Okay. So let's take all of it off. That's one thing Bobby doesn't do on his channel. He doesn't do things.
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll hold the camera.
Yeah. Well, because you're the one who's always been doing them, I guess.
I do the video games. And then for other things, I'm the cameraman.
I know.
Go ahead. Take it out.
Oh.
Oh, wait. No, there's a bearing inside, I think. Maybe. Inside, there's a bearing inside. No, inside of that thing. It's inside of it.
Oh, this?
Yes, wheel hub cap. Then you take the bearing that's inside, another bearing inside the wheel hub. Another. Do you want me to just do it? Do you want to build the
No.
suspension? It's way easier.
I'll build a suspension chemistry.
Trust me. It's way easier. Plus, I can do this way faster. Boom. And then this comes off. And then just a few more things and we're done. Let me take this rubber bushing out. Now we go over to this tire to take it off. These tires aren't actually that bad. I think I'm gonna choose.
This tire's not
rim.
actually that bad. It's actually really
I
clean.
think I might choose a rim like that for the new tires. If anyone wants to know what we're playing on Xbox. Is it a Series X?
Series S.
Okay, this comes off. This can come off. This can come off. Steering will actually be able to come off. No? Okay, take this off. Then the front sway bar can come off. The shock can come off. The upper control arm. Then the lower control arm. This and this. Alright. And the rear suspension is super stable. I don't know if this is even supposed to have shocks. This was found in the box, so it's not that. Brake drum. Okay. And then this, take the brake shoe off. This, and this. Okay. It has rear shocks. Okay. This is very simple. Can I take the mufflers off?
Oh, maybe.
Yep. There we go. and like those bearings just go with it. Now that's stuff.
At this point, there's only like a few more things left to do, and then we have nothing else on the bottom of the car. Like if we did a video on the truck, it would be the same on that too.
Real hard. Okay. Now I can take this bottom bracket off. And then these rubber bushings. Okay, we're basically done. Last rubber bushing. The rubber bushing comes off, then the leaf spring, then the whole rear axle. And I'll get you started, I guess, with these. I'll put in the rear axle for you. And ooh, we need more some more mufflers. What are the tires? I want to get a cool set of tires. Which one should we get?
I don't know.
What is the front wheel?
Wow.
I think it's 20. Is it 20 or 22? It's size 22, and the rear wheel is size. Okay, let's get it. It's size 25, so let's do it at 22. Okay. What? I have tires. What do you mean you don't have the necessary?
Are you guys gonna work on like a merit badge for fourth coat?
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys know what the plan is here today, right? I think your mom or dad is gonna pick you guys up at some time this morning. Bobby?
No, you never told me that.
Ryan, mom or dad is gonna pick you guys up.
Okay.
Do what?
You guys making a video?
Yes.
Yeah.
Dad's not gonna be home till 5. So I don't think my mom's gonna let us ride there. But here's the thing. Okay. What else do we have to do? We have to work on this car.
Yeah, wasn't there also a piece that you didn't actually put on the truck that you forgot? Is that still missing, or did you?
I want to. Is there now a tire for this? Yes. Okay, that's a small looking tire.
There we go.
I don't know how small it's gonna look on the car. It looks a tiny tad bit small right there. Let's balance this wheel.
Now we're testing to see if it'll actually ride well.
Okay. Good. Let's take this one, put it here. Let's balance it.
Is that like a fender or something?
Huh?
That's supposed to be like a fender right there.
It's like a shield. So like if the tire were to like come off or something from going really fast, you wouldn't get hurt. Or if like it was like to tear apart or anything.
Okay.
Alright, I'm just gonna quickly build this up in a few seconds just because I wanna look at what the tire looks like on it. Because I want to see what the tire looks like on the what is that, rusty? Oh, okay, we don't have any new ones. Can we fix the parts? Where's it? These. Oh no. Wait, watch this. Oh, perfect. Nice. Oh, we don't need this part repaired. Okay. And this part. Good. There's tool from repair. Now we can go back. What the? Okay, now we can go back and go to here and install the parts. Alright, install this part. Install this part. Install that. Okay. Brake drum. Put the brake drum on. Then I can put the wheel. This is the front wheel, isn't it? Oh no, we only have rear wheels right now. Oh wow, that is so hideous.
That looks so weird.
That is so ugly. Literally, that's the ugliest thing ever. I don't know, because I wanted to mount 20 rims on a 25 tire. That
is just weird. Who would do that?
So that didn't happen. I still have these two tires. These are the really tiny tires. This is the original tire. I'm gonna separate the original tires because I'll just fix the original tires. Right, so if I take these, that leaves me with a 14-inch rim with a other tire. So back. I was just gonna see if I could fix these rims. Because if I could fix the rims and maybe repair and just get new tires, I think that would be fine. Alright, take that. Let's see if I could even repair these rims. Oh, no, I don't want to repair this. That's not what I want to repair. Are the rims... Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, so... I can't lose these. I gotta repair them. Okay, it's almost fully repaired. No! Yes. 2. That was it? It's fully repaired already? That was quick. This is the third one. No, I can't lose this. I can't lose it. I just lost it, didn't I? What are they? Inventory. So they're 22? No. Alright, they're 14-inch tires. It's a 14-inch tire on a... Let's see. A 14-inch rim with a 205 tire. Okay, so what is 205? Let's see. Does it mean this is 205? Okay, so this width is 205 and it's a size 18. So can I put those other rims back onto the tire? The 14-inch rim onto, no, just these. So this is a 25 ZR 14. So that's a 14-inch tire? There's no way. Huh? This doesn't make sense. Alright, 14. It's 14. Okay, it's 14. So now if we go here, 14 rim on brand new 14 tire. Look at how small that is. Okay, I take this tire off and I put this tire on 14 on the old tire. Look at how big that tire is. Look at how big it is. How does that make sense? It doesn't.
How is that 14 inches? Isn't it?
And then you see what tire it is. It's a slick, I think. Wait, no, it's this tire. Oh, wait. Is it the profile of the tire? So the tire is a size, it's gotta be a size like 25. Or if the rim's 14, it's gotta be a size like 18. And it's gotta have like a profile like 70. don't get this. Is that what I have to do? Yep. Wait, no. No. Okay, I don't understand this. I'm just trying to get wheels, but I don't want the rim to be giant. I want... This doesn't make sense. How did they get the original rims to be so big? I don't get it. Okay, let's worry about that later. Let's just finish the rear suspension for now. Yeah. What? No.
Whispering because of the video or because Dad's around?
I need to buy more of those parts. So we'll get tires later. Alright, Bobby, do you want to assemble?
Sure. Okay.
Oh no. It's raining. Oh.
You to install. That's weird. But isn't it the right tires? It's weird here.
Oh no. Just put everything else on. We don't have tires yet, okay? Just put everything else on. So like now do the leaf springs. The leaf springs. The leaf springs. They're over there.
Huh?
The
Okay,
leaf
I'll go
springs.
get them.
No, they're right there. What are you doing? Go back. Move this to here. Install the leaf spring. Here, you want some help? I'll make this easier for you. Leave that piece off. Okay. Now work on the leaf spring.
Okay.
Now go put the other rubber bushing in.
This is on the front of the back.
It's on the other side of the spring.
I put both of the.
Okay. Now put the thing that holds the leaf spring.
What?
Do you see it's right below the leaf spring? Right there. Right there.
That thing right there? Oh, that.
There. Put that on. Just put on everything that's highlighted in that white. Go back to the leaf spring. Turn the camera. Turn the camera.
Yeah.
Put the U-bolts on.
Oh, yeah, the U-bolts. How about those?
You think you could build a whole car by yourself when I'm not here?
I kind of built an engine by myself.
I mean, do you think you could build a car all by yourself?
I don't know. Wait, what do you want me to do next?
Okay, so put on the other side.
Oh,
Go to the other side and put on the other leaf spring.
how do I move to the other side?
What do you want for breakfast?
I don't know. Sorry, guys. Fell over, I guess. How do you move?
You just hit A on a part, so like hit A on the tire. No, not hold. Don't hold it. Just press A.
Put the leaf spring. And the muffler, I guess.
You gotta put the leaf spring bottom on.
Oh, forgot about that thing.
And then the shocks.
U-bolts. Is it on? The leaf spring holder thing?
Yeah, you gotta put the U-bolts in.
Oh, the U-bolts. Oh. And it's in.
Okay, now put the shocks on. The shocks,
How do I do that?
they're right there. They're right there.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. This?
Yeah.
How many do we need here?
There's one on the other side. That's it.
Oh, I see.
The bolt in.
Yeah.
And we're done. Now on this side, go put the brake hub on.
Oh.
Well, the brake, whatever.
This? Right
Yeah,
here?
yeah. Brake drum. Alright, now get out. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to go over to the front suspension and start building the front suspension. Now, if you're going to assemble this by yourself, you need to know how to get into assemble mode. So hit Y. Now go down to the key, guess which one? It's the gear with the plus. Yeah? Okay. And then start assembling. Tell me when you need the shocks. I'll show you how to make a shock absorber. I'll show you how to put the spring on and stuff. And use the shock machine. And if you build a car, Bobby,
Yeah.
I would say go back and buy, literally, I'm not even joking, I don't care, you could take breaks, but buy 50 of every single thing in the parts menu. 50 of every single thing. So if you want to build a car, first buy 50 of every single thing, and then you won't have to worry about running out of anything or anything.
Yes, no. I'm building a tire right now.
Now break this. Then put the brake pad.
Oh.
Brake pad.
Okay, that was weird.
Brake caliper.
Caliper.
Okay. And
That
now
should be it for
finish.
that.
No. See inside? Do you see inside? Inside. No, not that. Stop. Don't put that on. No, go. See? No. See right there? No, go over with the camera. No, with this little thing. Just up a little bit. There's a bearing inside.
Yeah. Oh,
Right
there it is.
Wheel hub bearing. You gotta remember to get that because that's a little bit hard to find. It's the wheel hub bearing. And then the wheel hub cap. And
That's it for the wheel so far.
Yeah.
That's it for right now.
Now, Bobby, zoom out the camera a little bit.
Or
All right,
Dad.
go to. All right, see how it's double wishbone shock absorber? Okay, go hit B, go back. All right, go over to our truck. Go over to the wall over there. No, the other wall.
This will be
Near the tire machine.
Oh, tire machine.
Where I did the shocks. No. Go to your left, go to your left. Walk forward, a little more. Turn right. Turn your camera right. No, don't walk right. Ugh. It's right. Turn right. Turn your camera right.
I did.
No,
This is-
right.
Yeah,
Right.
I did.
Right. Turn it right. Right. You. Oh my God.
You're telling me to turn it right, I am.
You're turning it left. Do you not know which direction's right? Right. Turn it right, that way. Right. It's that thing right there.
Oh, this?
No, thing next to it. The other yellow thing.
Oh, this?
Are you insane? No, go back. It's that thing right there. Ugh. Alright, now go. No. Go back. Go over with the thing, the thumb. Your top thumb. No. Oh, God. Join parts. Go to join parts. Select. Now you're gonna. No. Okay, double wishbone. Hit A. Hit A. And hit A. Now take it off. Hit A.
Oh.
Now hit A, and then go over to the other one.
This.
Yeah, take off. And then go back. Go to your tablet. Where are you going? Stop. Go to your tablet. Okay. Press Y. I go to main shop. Go to suspension, the category. Okay. Go to page 2. No. Go back. Go to page 2. No, it's the other button. It's the big button. Go to, okay. See front spring?
Yeah, from.
Go to the front spring.
Yeah.
And buy a bunch.
Just buy all of them, I guess.
Buy a bunch of front springs. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Is that enough?
Buy.
31.
Buy.
I want to buy 30.
Buy. Alright.
Yeah.
Now go to another page. No. Nope. Nope. Page 3. Page. And then go all the way to the bottom. Rear, and buy some rear springs.
I'll buy as many as I did before.
Just buy a few.
How many? 7?
Here.
7.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, and then buy rear shock absorber caps.
Rear shock.
That's right next to it. Okay, that. And then buy a few of those. That's good. Alright, now go back to B. Go back over to your spring machine. Spring machine.
Oh.
And assemble a new one. Join parts. Now, this is what you gotta focus on. Go, your suspension is double wishbone stock suspension, and it's front suspension. Okay, so it's double wishbone stock. Okay, find that. No, that's not double wishbone. Go back. Hit B. All right. Scroll down the list. Scroll down
Double
the list.
wishbone shock.
Yes, that double wishbone shock absorber. That's it.
Nice.
Hit A. Hit A.
Now, I take the parts.
Take the part off. Off. That's the other one. Okay, take it off. Go back to the car. Go back to the car and put on the spring.
The spring or just.
And no, just put
Okay.
the shock.
The shock.
Finish assembling it.
I need to find where it is actually. Where is this? The shock go?
You have to go into assemble mode.
Oh yeah. You just click Y, and then, or you said click Y, or was it a different one?
No, it's Y. And then go to the.
Set it. Oh yeah, set it. This. Boom.
Yes. Perfect.
Oh, there the shocks are.
Now just assemble everything. And then I'll figure out what type of tires to put on it later. So, Bobby's going to finish up the suspension, and that's about going to be it for this video. It's going to wrap the video, so hurry and finish up the suspension.
Okay.
And then next video, we're going to do the engine,
So
and
this,
get the engine done.
sorry, this one was a little bit long, but this one was too long in my opinion. This video, but because it takes a while to actually build the car in general. Because at the start of the video, we just found the car, like.
Yeah.
So we didn't actually. We started. So I just click some items so I can. Okay, engine. So I can get to the other shock.
No, put the top arm on.
Where's that?
It's right on the shock. You don't see it? Go back. Do you see it?
This.
Yes.
The rub this.
Yes. 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 Alright, screw them in. Good. Go the other side.
Okay.
Actually, don't go to the other side yet. Put the finish assembling this.
This part of the car.
You see the thing right there? Go over more. With your little dot, go over.
This
Left, 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 left. Left, left, stop. Little to the right. Little to the right, little to the right, little to the right. Down. Down. And the part's right there. Put that part on. You need to go down a little bit more. No, that part, yeah. Put that part on. We need to buy some of those parts. Those, is that the old part? Okay, now go the other side. Because we're done on this side. And start assembling the other side.
Power steering thing.
No. That's under the hood. Start assembling the suspension, Bobby. The suspension! Hello! Or to Bobby, suspension.
I can't get to the suspension. Like, I can't.
Zoom out the camera. It's right there.
Oh. Where is it?
Move the camera. No, move the camera. Move the camera. It's right there. Click on it. Do you see the suspension part?
Right here.
That's highlighted? Yeah, okay. Put it in. Alright, keep building the suspension.
Okay.
Wait. So if put that part on, and then put on the upper control arm. Upper control arm, and then finish putting on the brakes. Now you gotta put on the brakes.
Like this stuff.
Yes.
Okay. So.
James, can you be quiet? We're making a video. And put that on, and then the thing, and then put brakes on. Brakes. Brakes. And now finish assembling the suspension.
I feel like it's finished.
There's another 2, 3 parts to do. So
Do you know the
So go over. Do you see that part right there that's highlighted? No. It's down. Down. It's right here. It's right here, Bobby.
What?
Right there on the bottom.
Oh, that.
Right
That. Oh, yeah.
Put that on. And then put the thing right there on.
The which thing?
No, the other thing.
Oh,
It's-
that.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay. And there you go. That's about it.
So we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.